Hi friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day. My name is Alpha and I'm so glad that you guys could join me here so I could help you learn how to draw different things. And today we are actually learning how to draw this cute little cactus. What you'll need is just a piece of paper or some sort of sketch paper. This is actually out of my sketchbook and I didn't need the whole piece, so I actually cut it in half so I could save this one for another video. For utensils, I like to have a pencil, mechanical, whatever you have, an eraser, and my favorite pen to go over with is this one. It's a Tombow, and I will link it below because I can never pronounce how to say it, and I can't even find it on here. So it's Tombow like that, but it's actually called something, and I can't find it. So anyway, let's get started. Okay. So it's gonna be, we're gonna start with the base. So we're gonna start with making two lines or two curved lines, like so. Gonna join it at the bottom. And we're gonna give it a tiny curve up at the top. Now, to get the three, of course you don't have to do three, you can do more, but to get the base of this, let's just start with three. We're gonna start with this one on the side, because we're kind of trying to create the illusion that this guy's in the back. So we're going to draw the two front ones first at an angle, and then we're going to draw the biggest one kind of in the back, like so. And then you can just draw those to kind of finish out the vase. And you don't even have to draw these lines in pencil because they're going to be kind of all over the place. Now let's trace it with our pen. And this is a great time if you didn't like how some of your pencil marks came out or anything. It's a great time to kind of go over where you think you messed up, and you can erase those. All right, so now that we have kind of our base done, let's go ahead and take our eraser and we're gonna erase any of those pencil lines that we had and just make sure they're not in our pretty picture. There you go. And I will link this eraser. This is one of my favorites down below. And now what we wanna do is start adding the little prickly things. And don't get very specific about this. They're just kind of meant to be all over the place. And so kind of just want to do these. Have it. There's our cute little cactus. I did make this one a little rounder. I should have made these a little bit more rounder, but you know what? Practice is what's going to help that. And so when I made this, I think I made it rounder and erased first, and then this one I didn't do that. So that is our little cactus doodle. Thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos, and I will be back here soon with another one. Have a great day.